The Indian Express newspaper dictation, total words 480, speed 80 word per minute, start. Agriculture is a state subject under the Constitution, but the Green Revolution wouldn't have happened without the political leadership at the center in 1966 approving the import of 18,000 tons of seeds of high-yielding semi-dwarf wheat varieties from Mexico. The same goes for the Narendra Modi government's decision now to enact a central law to dismantle the monopoly of agricultural produce market committee mandis in the wholesale trading of farm commodities. It's all very well to say that agriculture and markets and fairs fall under the state list of the 7th schedule. However, state governments have done very little all these years to remove barriers to trade in farm produce. Farmers, like any businessman, should have the freedom to sell their produce to anyone, anywhere, and anytime. This in turn is also contingent upon processors, traders, retailers, or exporters being able to buy directly from them. Para. Unfortunately, most state agricultural dam produce market committee laws today permit first sale of farm produce to take place only in notified mandis within the particular tehsils or tulukats, while some states are granting single unified market licenses and allowing direct procurement from farmers. Even they require payment of agricultural produce market committee fee, whether or not they are using the infrastructure of the local mandi effectively. Then there is no national market for agricultural commodities. What we have instead are some 2,500 markets controlled by commission agents who mediate between sellers and buyers even when not required. This arrangement is an anathema to the spirit of liberalization and also goes against Article 301 of the Constitution, which envisages freedom of trade and commerce throughout the territory of India. If states have not really freed agricultural produce trading even within their own territories, the center is well within its rights to enact a law using the provisions of entry 33 of the concurrent list. The latter specifically deals with agricultural produce, including foodstuff, cattle fodder, and raw cotton. Para. In an ideal situation, from a cooperative federalism perspective, the initiative for agriculture produce market committee reforms should have come from the states themselves, but there have been times whether it had to do with the Green Revolution or the nod to Bt cotton cultivation in 2002, when the center had to necessarily take the lead. The Modi government must make it clear that the objective behind its proposed law is not to dismantle agricultural produce market committee. Farmers will continue to bring their produce to mandis that have good infrastructure. auction platforms, way bridges, godowns, etc., and where they are likely to find more buyers. Andhra Pradesh Guntur Mirchi Yard for chili and the Unjaha Agricultural Produce Market Committee of Gujarat for jeera are good examples, but that should be a matter of choice both for farmers and buyers. Agricultural Produce Market Committee monopoly has to go if there is ugly manner of hope in all this. It is not visible yet. Stop. थैंक यू। इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें ताकि लेटेस्ट वीडियो की जानकारी आप तक सबसे पहले पहुंच सके। वीडियो को लाइक और डिसलाइक अवश्य करें। कोई सुझाव और प्रश्न हो तो कमेंट बॉक्स में लिखें और वीडियो को अपने फ्रेंड्स और क्लासमेट्स को शेयर करें।